Okay, last time we been uploading one video belum ya, Facebook page belum ya. Setelah video we been kissing first payment belum lo YouTube ya. I'm been plenty attention straight so plenty lain kalau kan masking how you working nah silakan all. Question about using visa or BSP card or all kita silakan question so. Inshallah sila video and by Yumi working one brief run through lo process lo how lo harnessing sila economic potential lo YouTube here lo Papua New Guinea. I mean, in Papua New Guinea, you late comers here. On our country, will go finish. So, if me start and by me start him, toto glomilo because you will deal on the YouTube so. By me try scale him YouTube and one kind platform. I think once you understand him, YouTube and one kind platform. Now, by me can understand him how lo working money lo YouTube. Because you may not have to go toto lo how lo working money na you may not understand him. Nature blo this la platform ya lo working money. Okay, YouTube am come underneath lo one big umbrella all call him lo social media thing. So you will get to talk social media na social media one something. Social media am all online platform be. Also online platform all working lo. You me connect one time on narapla man. Can say now me start lo yeah me connect one time you pla gata. Me no say you pla too but me connect one time you pla. This la a meaning to social media but you got all kind social media Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Snapchat, and now you name me mogata. All get actually one all social media platforms here all got all own style below it. Okay, YouTube specifically the YouTube which now main topic blame me. By me look say YouTube it's a video platform. You can say YouTube you don't have to look at one something. By you look at video that's all. So nature the YouTube video. So how all man work money lo YouTube yeah. All go inside lo YouTube. All uploading video blow all man all come watch him. Na YouTube and buy him all lo also lo views ya. Amas pla views come up video lo amas pla views all man lo watch him ya. YouTube buy him according lo views ya. Okay, now that you got some fair understanding of YouTube and one kind platform. So now by me going to lo process lo go na working money lo. From one kind of say Facebook yeah, how you create your account lo Facebook na go inside yeah. You use username na put the password yeah. YouTube too and one kind. It's like email address blue you enter him lo phone blue you na you go lo Chrome Google you go Google number out na you go lo YouTube yeah you go watch yeah. This like email address yeah you got on the YouTube account finish yeah. Because Gmail na YouTube na Google yeah all the time all one pla company that's all. Underneath lo alphabet INC parent company. So one pla email you got long na use him lo phone blue na you go inside lo Google na you go lo Play Store na you go inside lo YouTube na one jisla email yeah jisla email by use him lo open him account yeah. So time you click on lo app lo YouTube yeah automatically you got on black account finish yeah. You go to click lo profile below you na bang account start finish. Because la account there you can upload the video lem. So time you will upload him video no man will watch him no man will interested lo video will watch him na plenty will come subscribe lo Facebook also to give me follow him YouTube also to subscribe time will subscribe must you will grow him following blue now. So time you will upload him plenty video no man will look him nam to ko nice pla content to sila man will come follow him you. Once all subscribers blue hit him 1,000 subscribers now I'm meeting monetization requirement. I'm one pla requirement 1,000 subscribers. Okay, all man will watching video blue go na all watch time blue you go reach him 4,000 watch hours. M2 one pla requirement. So time you reaching 4,000 watch hours, you eligible in monetization now. So you abuse 1,000 subscribers na 4,000 watch hours. So inside YouTube by you hard lo looking more lo statistics yeah. Easy way lo looking more statistics by you go na download him YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio yeah by you go to Play Store na you download him. Once you download him now, you open him YouTube Studio na you go inside lo this YouTube account blue yeah. Same email yeah. Phone it but show him come on top so. So once you go inside now by you looking more statistics blue. So inside lo this video now by me using YouTube channel below me or say one example. So once you start inside lo YouTube Studio containing all get a little statistics you need lo server lo YouTube account blue. Performance blue YouTube account, performance blue videos blue all get a something. Start inside lo YouTube Studio. So if you run lo line time lo by looking mo some analytics start. Analytics, okay, community, okay, side through by you looking sila $sign. Sila monetization tab. Analytics by looking mo performance blue. Amas video views you can see in the last 24 hours, 48 hours, 28 days, 1 year and so on. Okay, but you can look him audience too, or viewers will call one map, not sila. You yet you go inside and you go find out. You download him, you go inside and you find out. Okay, one dollar question you will ask him too much, monetization requirement, and by clicking the dollar sign lo arre. The dollar sign lo arre, contain him, requirement lo monetization. Since YouTube start na kamanta pia, history blow monetization have been changed over time and developed over time. It come until 2010 na ikamanta po same 17, ikamo same even 2023. Requirement blow monetization and you reaching 1,000 subscribers na 4,000 watch hours in the last 90 days. Once you reach the requirement, now monetization and by enabled. So now suppose you plug you plug clicking bisla tebe boy pa looking mosem you blow command on it boy pa looking mosem on monetization requirements stuff. But lately last year June or July about YouTube worry lo legal creators that all know reaching mara requirement lo monetization or channels ball reducing sila monetization requirement come down to 500 sila working go easy straight now. So if you reaching 500 subscribers na 4,000 watch hours now shorts blue even reaching 3 million views and Islam is eligible to monetization now. So now suppose you go click him, can you click him now you look him. Sila apply sign name gray already. Once sila get all blue dots here, you look him get the requirement kamanta na meeting. This sila apply tebe and ba appear alive and ba green. Na time you click him and ba click it. Sila meeting mo get the requirements. Time you click him now, inside you got some specific instruction can by you. So once you eligible now you click him sila apply and by you apply YouTube monetization now. So on the requirement blow by you apply YouTube monetization and by you need lo provide him on the AdSense account. Okay, this is the same email here you using to create him YouTube account blue here. And the same email you must create him on the AdSense account. You go to Google, you type him AdSense. Na Google ba pull him up AdSense come up, you type him create account. So time you type him here, automatically the email back come up. You will create him on them the email. Once you create him AdSense account be finished, you change the email address, you come back inside the YouTube tab. Time you click him apply long in or ask him you lo one AdSense account lo, but you enter him the email you create him AdSense account leme. Once you enter him go set na you meet him get an article requirements come down. You got all agreement too, but you click him na agree one time. Once you meet him get now you click submit. Once you click him submit now process him by YouTube by review him account blue and by review account blue whether meet him all YouTube monetization guidelines belongin na all get an something whether you so called original video or no got and YouTube by review all get tired sila time. Once YouTube review na mama sosem you meet him all get all requirement belongin na mo sem pasalim play email you neto channel blue green light you can monetize now. Next minute mo sila checking mo video blue by looking mo sem ka dollar sign them come upload this na sign osem you can monetize you can go na 10 monetization table. So next time all man all come all watching all videos blue mo sem sila revenue blue collecting all views and ba show up lo sila monetization tab dollar. So once you show up lab na you start working money now. Okay, one person can inside lo AdSense account blue. So AdSense account I got all requirements to start inside. And long up now AdSense account and product lo Google where time you money lo internet lo Google sa story mo lo money lo sila account. And kan so bla wallet kan so. So inside lo up now, but you verify address bla you. We got all section stuff la, but you fill him up, you verify address Google basalim bla mail kan mo sila address. Na sila address ba containing pin. So time mo sa pin ang kamal you